Construction workers find puppy caked in mud. Then this is what happened. Workers were concerned when a sluggish movement was detected in a deep muddy hole on an urban construction site. After scanning the pit, they discovered a tiny puppy desperately drowning and struggling to stay afloat in the noxious muck. They gathered together and hauled out the dying puppy as soon as feasible after discovering it. The puppy was completely buried in a hard crust of dried mud from head to tail by the time his owners brought him to the South Essex Wildlife Hospital. Trash plastic strands hung from his stomach, appearing rather pathetic. The terrified newborn was washed by the vet staff, only to discover that he was not a dog after all. As a warm shower flushed away the arid layers of mud, the staff realized that the po baby was actually a fox cub. After a very long dunking and scrubbing session, the 4-month-old cub finally recovered from the shock and was able to move freely again. To commemorate this one-of-a-kind rescue, the staff has named the baby Mudzy. We love the sound of that. Mudzy is doing great now, and the veterinarian staff will set him correctly when he's completely healthy. It's been suggested that Mudzy was trapped in a muddy hole for a whole weekend based on his condition. If it wasn't for the construction workers, he would have met a horrible demise. We're ecstatic that things worked out well.